Hello students, back to our class. Hope you have enjoyed your holidays. Now back to studies. We have already read two chapters, first and second chapter of science. Now today we are going to start the third chapter, that is the synthetic fiber and plastics. We wear clothes made up of different types of fabrics. Now when we talk about these fabrics, they are actually made up of different types of fibers. Now a question arises that what are fibers? So fibers are strong and flexible thread-like material which is used to make fabric. Fibers are also used to make several household items like ropes and nets. Now we will read about types of fibers. There are two types of fibers, or broadly we can divide the fibers into two parts, that is natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. When we talk about natural fibers, so these are the fibers which are obtained from nature, and when we talk about synthetic fibers, these are the fibers which are obtained or they are made in the industries or factories according to the human need. When we talk about natural fibers, so natural fibers are obtained both from plants and animals, or you can say that natural fibers have two types of origin, that is plant origin and animal origin. For example, when we talk about cotton fiber, so cotton fiber is obtained from cotton plant, jute fiber it is obtained from jute plant, and linen fiber it is made up of flax plant. Now these are the examples of plant fibers. What about wool? Everybody knows that wool is obtained from sheep, or we get wool from sheep. So it is the animal fiber. Now second example is there of silk. You already know that silk is obtained from cocoon of silkworms. So silk is also an example of animal fiber. So we can collectively say that cotton fiber, jute fiber, linen fiber, wool fiber and silk, all these are natural fibers. But still they are differentiated into two parts, that is some fibers they are obtained from plants and the other they are obtained from animals. Now in this slide we will read about synthetic fibers. When we talk about synthetic fibers, so synthetic fibers are those which are obtained through different types of chemical processes in the industries. They are also known as human made fibers. Now when we talk about these synthetic fibers, they are prepared using raw material of petroleum origin called petrochemicals. There are different types of synthetic fibers, for example rayon, nylon, terylene. We are going to read about these types of fibers only in this chapter. We will read about its characteristics and the uses also. Here in this slide you can see a photograph which contains a monomer and a polymer. Now what are monomers and what are polymers? First of all we will take an example that you have seen a necklace of beads. Now when we talk about this type of necklace, so there are large number of beads, they are joined together to form a necklace. Here in this picture also you are seeing some bead like structures. So these bead like structures, when they are in a single unit, they are known as monomers. And when they are joined together to form a chain like structure, they are known as polymers. And the conversion of monomer into polymer, it is known as polymerization. We can also take another example of paper clips. If we take some paper clips and join together, so we will say that a single clip, it is known as a monomer. It will be an example of monomer. And when we join all these paper clips into a long chain, it will be known as a polymer. So when we talk about beads or paper clips, they are smaller units which join together to form a larger unit. So similarly, a synthetic fiber is also a chain of smaller units which are joined together. Each smaller unit is a chemical substance called monomer, and many such smaller units or monomers, they join together to form a larger single unit called a polymer. Now in this slide you can see natural polymers. So we can say that natural fibers are also polymers. The examples of natural polymers are cotton, wool, silk polymers. So for example, when we talk about cotton, so cotton fiber is a polymer called cellulose.